Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make handmade, very fluffy, very soft cold porcelain clay with very basic ingredients, and you can create so many different projects using this handmade clay. This is very light in weight, and I have created this cute bunny using my handmade clay. I will share how to do this, and also I will share how to make tiny objects using molds. So without any delay, let's get started. So here I am taking one glass bowl, since I am making my clay in microwave. So use any glass bowl which is not useful more for cooking. And taking the corn flour, you can take any brand of corn flour. And then just taking one measuring cup. The measuring cup is smaller in size, so I am taking 2 cups of corn flour. Just fill it nicely till the top, level it and pour it inside the bowl, taking the another cup. Then equal quantity of the clay we have to take the glue. So I am taking Fevicol MR and taking 2 cups of PVA glue. You can use any brand of PVA glue, but Fevicol works best for me. So just taking 2 cups here. Before pouring the another cup, take out all the glue using another spoon and then pour another cup. Like this. Then we have to mix it thoroughly till the smooth consistency. Do it very carefully and try to do it in one direction. So after mixing very well, the consistency should be like this. Now here I am taking vinegar. You can use any synthetic vinegar, and we have to pour 2 teaspoons of vinegar inside our mixture. It will work like preservative. Then I am taking here parachute oil. You can use any colorless oil. Baby oil will also work. And I am pouring 1.5 teaspoon oil into the mixture. And then at the end I am adding 1 teaspoon of white acrylic color. The tendency of this clay can be yellowish after drying, so to avoid it, you can just add 1 spoon of acrylic color in white into the clay so that it will remain white after drying. And if you are making any colored clay, then don't need to add the white acrylic color here. So after adding all 5 ingredients, mix the mixture properly, make it in smooth consistency. And this is completely done. It should be flowy like this, and the basic mixture of the clay is ready. Now it's time to microwave this. So here I am putting my bowl inside the microwave, and this is our first iteration of 30 seconds. So I am putting my microwave at 30-second setting. Then taking out the bowl and mix it properly again. Right now we cannot see any major changes, but you have to mix it again properly and make it smooth. Then it's time to do the second iteration. So again I have put the bowl inside the microwave for 30 seconds. Now it's becoming little hard, so you have to mix it again and make it smooth. If you find any lumps, just press it using silicone spoon and make it smooth. Then we have to do the third iteration of 30 seconds. So after the third iteration, my clay is becoming little stiff, and it depends on your microwave. So each microwave works differently. In 3 iterations, my clay is getting ready. So it depends on your microwave heating. It may take 4 iterations. So when you will find the clay consistency like this, like a thick fluffy dough, so you have to stop here. And since our clay is warm, so the cooking process is still going on, so you don't need to add inside the microwave again, and just mixing it properly. And it should not stick very much on your hand. Little bit of stickiness is okay. So now I'm just taking it out on my desk. So before putting it on desk, just applying any kind of moisturizer on the base and also on both the palms, so that the clay will not stick to your hand. And then taking out all the clay on the surface, and then we need to knead it immediately. Remember, the clay is warm, so you have to be careful. You can also wear gloves if you cannot handle the hot clay, but I'm used to it, so I can do it easily. And since the winter days are going on, so the clay will become cool very soon. So you have to knead it thoroughly and nicely till your clay become completely cool. If you find the clay is very liquid or very sticky, you can add few spoons of corn flour to it. Or if you find your clay is very stiff, you can apply any moisturizer lotion into this to make it soft. Don't use water because it may have the fungus after drying. So to do the preservation from the fungus, you can apply either corn flour to make it stiff or any moisturizing lotion to make it smooth. And my clay is becoming ready. Now it's not sticking to my hands. It's super fluffy, super soft and very light in weight. But wait, it's not ready yet. We have to wait for 24 hours before doing any clay work. And this is the teardrop test. When your clay is ready, you have to pull or separate the clay in 2 parts, and it should form the teardrop like this. So that means your clay is perfectly kneaded, and our cold porcelain clay is ready here. Now I am just taking one plastic poly bag, or you can also use cling bag, and putting it inside the airtight container. So the tendency of clay is air dry, so to avoid it from outer side, just apply any colorless oil or moisturizer on the outer layer of the clay to prevent it from the drying. And now I'm putting it into the poly bag and then putting it inside the airtight container for 24 hours. So see you after 24 hours, and on the next day I'm just checking my clay whether it is ready or not, and I think it's ready. Taking out from the poly bag and see how smooth and soft it is now. It's more smoother, more fluffier than before. All the ingredients are absorbed nicely, and we have put it on the rest for one day, and now our clay is ready to do any kind of clay projects. So whatever quantity you need, just take it out and put the remaining clay inside the poly bag and airtight container immediately to prevent it from the drying. Now I will show you how to color your clay. So here I am taking little quantity of clay and taking yellow acrylic color. Just add drop of the color onto the clay, and you can here use any kind of color, soft pastels, poster colors, gouache colors, oil colors, or acrylic colors. Whatever you have, you can use it with the clay to color the clay. Now I am taking one more color using pink shade. Like this. Then taking my mold, and I will share how to make small designs using mold. So here I am just applying little talcum powder inside the mold using dry brush, and then adding the clay inside the design. Make it smooth from outer side. And then taking out the pattern slowly from the mold. Tada! The super cute bow is ready. It's very light in weight, and after drying it will become little smaller in the size. And I have created one more bow using another pattern. Now I will show you how to make cute bunny. So just enjoy the process, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Here I have created one small dough for the face, putting it on the butter paper so that it will not stick to the surface. Then creating ears and adding features. And at the end I am adding the bow which we have created. So cute. Allow it to dry for 48 hours, and now you can convert this into charm or keychain. So in this way you can play with your handmade cold porcelain clay. You can make small objects using molds. You can create your own charms, or you can also make big projects. So I hope you have understood each and every step of making cold porcelain clay, and soon I am coming with lots of Christmas ideas using the handmade clay. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.